Students, there is a question for you at the end of our lesson. On page number 56, see, place yourself in Uncle Salim's shoes. Would you have encouraged Sami or criticized him? Why? So far, before answering this question, so far you have to keep in your mind, what do you think? Do you really think that Uncle Salim's behavior was encouraging towards Sami? Do you think so? Or it was just criticizing, it was just letting him down? What do you think? Okay, now your challenge is that you place yourself in, imagine yourself being Uncle Salim. Now you tell, would you encourage Sami or you will discourage him? Okay, and record a voice note and answer me. Okay, students, on the same page there is say whether the following are true or false about the story. We just have finished the story. Everything will be fresh in your mind, so it is better to do it right now. Okay, Uncle Salim was not very heavy. This is false. Yes, he was a fat man. B is, Sami used the garage as a workshop. Yes, he did so. C is, Sami did not use any screws. It is false. You remember what he used as a screw? He used screwdriver. And he used other gadgets like screwdriver, which is a tool, flattened shape tip, and he also used knife as well. D is, Sami covered the wings with cloth. This is false. Then which thing he covered the wings? With which thing? It was newspaper. The last is, Uncle Salim thought the glider wouldn't fly. Is it true or false? This is true, because Uncle Salim was not trusting him. Okay. Here comes another activity. A general name for boys, girls and babies is children. So they want us to find the general names for the following. This is very interesting activity. The first one is beans, peas, potatoes. What do we call them as a class? We call them vegetables. Students, likewise, you all are studying in class 3 and you all are having your individual names, right? And as individually, sometime we call you, we address you as class 3 or as students, right? Instead of naming you individually, we collectively call you as a class. So this activity is same like that. Okay, in B, lilies, roses, orchids, they are noun or belong from the class of flowers. C is tigers, lions, dogs, we call them animals. Yes. D is robins, eagles and doves, and collectively they belong to the class of birds. And the last is Argentina, Italy and Canada. We call them countries. They are the names of countries. Okay, this is all about today's lesson. Inshallah, the rest of activities we will do tomorrow in our next session. Till then, stay blessed and answer me this challenge. I'm waiting for your answers, okay? Stay blessed and goodbye.